In this intermediate project, you'll transform a real bivalve shell into a working solid silver locket, complete with a hidden pearl inside, through a combination of silver clay and traditional silversmithing techniques. Using real shells, you'll create silicone moulds and form precise silver clay replicas before firing your pieces with either a blowtorch or a kiln. From there, you'll construct a delicate knuckle hinge and magnetic clasp using sterling silver tube, solder your elements together, and carefully finish and polish your locket before finally setting it with a freshwater pearl. This project is broken down into 18 easy-to-digest video lessons and bonus content. You can follow this project at your own pace, and if you want to take a break, the progress bar will keep track of where you are so you can pick up where you left off. In the resources section, you'll find printable written instructions to keep on your bench, plus a full tools and materials list with supplier links. And if you get stuck along the way, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'll be happy to personally answer your questions to ensure you fully enjoy the making process and complete your project.